Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Topical Talks for a new tutorial video. And in this video,
we will learn how to fix Roblox freezing on PC. So firstly, after opening Windows, we have to navigate to the search panel. In here type run, then click on open. After that, you have to type %temp%, then click OK. Now from here we have to navigate to the Roblox folder. Now select all the files, right click, then delete. And delete the folder as well. Furthermore, also clear the recycle bin. Secondly, you have to open your browser. From here, type status.roblox.com. By going on this server, you can check the status of all the servers if they are operational or not, and if you are having an internet issue. So after you have checked the server status, you need to navigate to the search panel yet again. From here, you'll type device manager. Then click on open. Just maximize it for the sake of the view. Then enlarge the display adapter section and right click on your graphics card and choose properties. Then go to the drivers section. From here you have to click on update driver. Keeping your graphics driver updated is mandatory to have a smooth experience in any game, especially Roblox. After that, you'll navigate to the search panel yet again. Then type a Roblox player. And we'll just open the Roblox player as an administrator. Most of the time, running as an administrator solves most of the issues a game is facing. So this is how you can fix freezing or crashing in Roblox.
thank you again for watching the video. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel and see you in the next video.